Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on the C++ compilation process using G++. In this video, I will guide you through the four key stages of compilation, namely preprocessing, compiling, assembling, and linking. By the end of this video, you will understand how to manually convert a C++ source file into an executable file step by step. Before a C++ program can run, it must go through multiple stages. These stages include preprocessing, compiling, assembling, and linking. Let us consider this simple C++ program shown here, known as main.cpp. This program prints hello world to the console. Now let us see how this source code gets transferred into an executable file. The first step is preprocessing, where the compiler calls the preprocessor and expands the source code and produces a preprocessed or expanded code. It also expands all macros, has included directives, and removes comments. So we will use the following command to do the preprocessing and produce the preprocessed code or expanded code. So let us go to the command prompt. So our main.cpp file is here. Let me show you the content. The content is also there. Now let us type the command g++ e main.cpp o main.i. So the command prompt return, that means the command executed successfully. Let us see whether main.i is produced or not. So main.i has been produced. So in order to view the content, I can invoke notepad and this main.i. So now you can see, we close this one. The code has been expanded by copying the contents of this IOStream header file, and you see a very lengthy code. If I scroll it down to the last, you will see except IOStream, all other lines are there. So this is what expanded code is. Now let me close this one. So we have successfully produced the expanded code by calling the preprocessor with this E flag. So what does this E flag do? E flag stops or prevents the compiler to produce the executable code, or it stops the compilation, assembly, and linking process. It only calls the preprocessor to produce the expanded source code. So this picture also shows the same. It takes main.cpp as the input and it produced main.i as the output. Now this high level code will be passed on to this compilation process. So this is step 2. Now let us compile the preprocessed file into assembly language, because in this compilation phase, this high level code gets translated into assembly language, and the output file is main.s. So let us run this command and produce the output file main.s. So let me go to the command prompt again. Let me clear the screen. Now let me type in the command. Now main.i is the input. This flag O produces the output file. So it is main.s. So this is assembly code, and this flag S, it will produce the assembly code. So the command prompt returned again. Now let us see whether the main.s is there or not. Yes, main.s also produced. Now let us again invoke notepad, sorry, main.s. So now see, this is the assembly code produced by the G++ command with flag S. So we have successfully produced the assembly code. Now let us go to step 3, which is assembling. So we assemble the assembly code into a machine readable format using the following command, which is g++ -c main.s o main.o. So here you see the main.s is the input to the assembling process. The assembler will be called. It will translate the contents of main.s to main.o, which is an object file containing machine code, but it is not yet executable, this main.o. So let us type the command and see the output. So let me again clear the screen. G++ -c. Now main.s is the input file, -o main.o. So the command prompt returns again. That means the command executed successfully, and we have this main.o. We cannot view the contents of main.o because this is in binary format. Even if we open it, we may not understand anything out of it. Now is the last step. So this is linking step, and finally we perform the linking step. This combines our object file main.o with standard libraries to produce an executable file. So we will run the following command: g++ main.o o main.exe, and after running we will get the executable file. So let me again go to the command prompt. Let me type the command g++ main.o and o main.exe. So now you see the executable file main.exe produced. Now let us run our program using the main.exe. So slash backslash main.exe. Now we get the output, that is hello world. So we have successfully completed the journey of G++, starting from source file to executable file, generation of executable file. To summarize, we executed these commands in sequence: G++ -e main.cpp -o main.i, then this one and this one, and at last this one which produced the main.exe. Then we run the main.exe to see the output. To summarize, you can see we have done pre-processing, then compilation, then assembling, then linking. So all these things are done at one go when you type in only G++ and file name. So this video shows you how to go step by step and see the intermediary files produced by G++ command. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you now understand the complete C++ compilation process using G++. If you find this helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Happy coding. Thank you for watching.